Touch the upper screen settings icon to display the pop-up menu. Touch Home Settings to make changes to the home screen display. Touch All Settings to select all of the vehicle settings options. Touch General Settings to amend the time and date, alter the touchscreen display, set a screensaver, change the master PIN, and view legal information. Touch Features to view and adjust the vehicle's feature settings. Move up and down using the scroll bar or swipe the screen. Touch Languages and Keyboards to set the system language and feedback accent. You can also set the voice gender for the systems that give voice feedback. Select Keyboards to view or add keyboards, and switch keyboard clicks on or off. Touch Connectivity to set and adjust the connectivity settings. Touch Audio Settings to adjust the audio output and sound settings. To adjust the bass, treble and subwoofer levels, touch the plus or minus keys or drag the slider bar to the required position. Using the arrows, move the sound focal point in the vehicle. Alternatively, drag to the desired position. All of the menu screens give you access to the settings for that particular feature. Touch the Settings icon to display the pop-up menu. Touch the lower screen Settings icon to display the settings options for display, climate and seats. To view and make adjustments, select the required option.